Egyptian shawarma. Here. Smells good. Yalla. Crazy. 35. Man, driving here was such a pain in the... I need to get over there. Oh. I hate driving in Heliopolis on a motorcycle. Very juicy. Shukran. Hello from Giza. So today I'm going to be showing you guys Egyptian shawarma. I actually just made a video about Lebanese shawarma recently, one of my favorite shawarma spots here in Cairo. But of course that is not Egyptian shawarma, and I had a lot of Egyptians in the comments recommending me to go to this certain place that I'm about to go to now. So yes, very excited to try it. I have heard a lot about it in the past and I've just never made it out there. So today I'm taking the bike out to Masjid or Heliopolis to try this shawarma. It's a Saturday afternoon, so there's probably not too much traffic right now. Saturdays are usually quite quiet, as well as Fridays, the weekends here in Egypt. So yalla, let's hit the road and go try this Egyptian shawarma. Finally made it to the restaurant. I hate driving in Heliopolis. So many detours and places you can't drive down with a motorcycle. But I'm here at Abu Haidar, which is very famous. I've heard about it a lot over the last 2 years of me living here, and I'm finally here today. So let's go order some shawarma. شكرا. السلام عليكم. عايزة واحد شاورما لحمة.
تشيل لو سمحت.
هنا؟ تمام.
اللي انت عايزاه؟ دي كله دي اللي هي عايزاه.
تمام.
انت عايزة كولا دلوقتي ولا؟
أنا مش فاهمة والله. تمام. I'll see you guys in a second. I don't understand. So I asked the guy if I could film before coming in. Because they saw me with my camera getting my gear on, kind of looking at me, and I didn't want to be told immediately that I couldn't film. So if you're filming things in Egypt, best idea to kind of check beforehand. Sometimes I don't, and just if I have a feeling they might say no, and I'll just do as much as I can, but you never know. Thankfully they allowed me to. Yeah, we're out on the street. Okay, I'm gonna film this, guys. So it's pretty early in the day, but I'm sure the busier it gets, the more people are here. looks amazing. That one's just dripping in juices. Smells good. So yeah, I'm trying to film, but I haven't ordered yet, but I'm here. Ah, that's where I pay. I see. Okay, so let's go pay first. I went to the wrong side to pay. No idea how much it costs, but I'm excited to try this. All right, I'm gonna wait in line and I'll get back to you when I've paid. Here.
It's here? It's here now?
It's here?
It's here now?
اه ايوه الشاورما صح؟ تمام شكرا جدا ايه ده؟
تفضل.
I'm so confused. انا مش فاهمة ايه شاورما صح؟
انت عايز شاورما رول؟ ولا ده؟
I was gonna get the roll. Yeah, shukran. So they gave me a sandwich. I haven't ordered. I haven't paid. This is why. I don't know what's going on. So here you have the menu, sandwich. I don't know, maybe the sandwich is better. I just gonna get the shawarma because that's in the roll is the standard typical way to do it. Kaiser sandwiches are good too. That's like a Kaiser sandwich, which what they just gave me. Man, driving here was such a pain in the ass. It took me like a half hour to get through all these blockades because I couldn't go over any bridges. They would let cars through, but not a motorcycle. So, yes. I hate driving in Heliopolis on a motorcycle. Maybe I'll get a juice. A juice is 30. 3. Oh, that's 5. 35. I'm slow with my numbers still. ممكن أصير رمان؟
رمان ماشي.
تمام شكرا.
تصوريه ولا يعملوا لك يجيبوا لك؟
ما فيش مشكلة. شكرا. He asked if I could go, if I wanted to go back and film that, but I've been to the juice shop. If you haven't seen that, check out the juice shop video. أنا؟ Oh, شكرا جدا. Alright. تمام. Alright, I got the shawarma. How much is it is the question. I'll find out now, after. Okay. So they have seating upstairs, but I don't think I'm gonna go upstairs. I think I'm just gonna eat out here. Yeah. Where does it say on the menu? So you have a plate of shawarma, shami bread, kaiser, 35, 105. Shami, yeah, the roll. But this is the best, right? لذيذ? تمام, شكرا. Okay. Well, I just want to try this now. Should I just eat here? I'm waiting for my juice, but fuck it. I'm gonna film now. Okay. Yes. Oh, shukran. Okay, gave me a napkin. Let's try this infamous Abu Haidar. See how it is. Yeah, this is a bit spendy for shawarma, but okay. Let's open it up a little bit. Oh, smells good. Yalla. Okay, that meat is really good. I I see why it's popular. Very juicy. Shukran. Oh, I thought it was just gonna be pure juice. It's like mixed with ice to make it a smoothie. Okay, so we got 105 for the shawarma. 35 for the fresh juice. I don't know if they're seating or not upstairs. If you come here, you can check. That is good. Hello again then. Alright, thanks for the recommendations, Egyptians on the channel. This is definitely delicious. Yeah. I wonder how long they've been around. I don't know. That's nice. انت عارف عندي سؤال كم سنة أبو هيدر؟ ايش؟ بس أنا مش فاهمة عربي. Oh, it's 1968. Okay. You want your camera or no?
No.
تمام. How many locations Abu Haidar? هنا بس أو والله تمام. Okay. شكرا جدا. Okay, so just one location if I understand correctly, but since 1968 they've been in operation here. I need to improve my Arabic, which is why I'm going to Arabic class after this. Thankfully it's very close by. Another reason I stopped by here today. But yeah, this is very delicious. And the total 105 and then the juice 35. So yes, thank you guys for coming along for the ride. Food looks amazing. Tastes amazing. So if you find yourself in Heliopolis for the day, which is an affluent area, I think. I don't spend a lot of time here. It's about a 20-minute drive from downtown Cairo. It's not far. However, I just don't come out here very often. I'm usually closer to downtown Cairo and Giza, you know, where I live. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for the recommendations, Egyptians on the channel. Check it out if you're visiting here. And yeah, check out my other videos. Stay tuned for what's coming next. And I will see you on the next one.